These are the elevators at Sarasota Memorial Hospital, Waldemere Medical Plaza in Sarasota, Florida. We got this one. We're gonna go to 1. So interestingly enough, floor 2 is connected to floor 3 in a parking garage. We'll start by a cap view. Here's the lobby. You can see those 2 elevators are up on 5 and 6. Let's go up to 8. Innovation decorator fixtures. Here we are at 8. Let's ring the bell. We're gonna end it back at 2. Oh, I almost hit the alarm button. Here is your inspection certificate. I have no idea what kind of elevator this is. So one of the lights is burned out. And here we are at 2.